Our flagship European facility features cutting-edge innovations such as AI and IoT-enhanced machinery.
Internet of Things are interconnected machines and sensors that share data in real time. Our machines are interconnected and can share data in real time among each other as well as with the process managers. We interconnect our electromechanical equipment, industrial PCs, our PLCs, our POCA yoke and other digital sensors. With IoT, we now have perpetual real-time monitoring of our production process. Because the machines in our assembly lines are interconnected, we can provide real-time production data and machine feedback to all relevant persons in the chain. We can synchronize the various machines to avoid bottlenecks in the production chain. We can balance production with the actual demand for our parts. We also use this communication facility to transmit a remote view of our POC yokes and analyze eventual operator errors.
Everything from our company culture to our assembly line innovations is geared towards ensuring the safety, durability, and trust of our customers.
Overall, the technology innovations and quality-led systems of our European site are key factors that allow us to confidently offer a 3-year warranty for the peace of mind of end users who rely on our brand for the safety of their families.
You can find the correct MOOG part for your vehicle using the Find My Part page on www.moogparts.eu. There, you will also find the links towards our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Garage Gurus, our training and technical support program.